Okay, so the table that I had was this little tiny table right here. We just pull it out. Worked great. It just adjusted in height, but we kind of wanted something a little bit bigger so we could play cards on. And then we can take these little pads right here, these 2 pads that we got at Walmart, and we can put them on the back side and have, you know, basically everybody sitting around the card table being able to play cards. So we got some legs for this, and we're gonna recess. So I just put these about where I wanted on the lid and made sure that they were symmetrical. And I'm gonna screw them in, and then I will place the bottoms on like that and put them exactly where I want, and then take a little Sharpie marker and then draw a little circle and recess those. Okay, this is the end result. Stands up great. Works great. Now, one thing I noticed, this is pretty cool. It had some pretty thick layers here. You had a 1/2 inch, so you had the flooring and then a 1/2 inch of plywood. It was OSB, not plywood. And then it had polystyrene, not polyurethane, but it still had foam. About 1.5 inches of foam. So not a bad insulation factor. I was really surprised.